Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. New background. Yes guys, I have recently moved and I've moved back into London, so I no longer live in Watford anymore. I actually live in London now, and this is my background. I'm literally on the topest floor, so I have like an attic room where I can see everything, so it's just pretty cool, guys. That's also the reason why I haven't been uploading recently or haven't done any content with you guys. It's only because I have been moving, and today I sat down. I finally said to myself, right, Donna, the break is done. It's time for you to record a video. And why not record a video and make it a fun one, right? So today I'm gonna do the highlighter challenge. Yes guys, I am gonna do the fill my face up, a full makeover just using highlighters. So yeah, I am gonna try the whole highlighter challenge, and let's see if I'm up for it and if I succeed and I look pretty. So yes, fingers crossed. And if you guys want to know how this turns out, then keep on watching. Okay, first things first. Put my hair back because it's gonna be messy. Alright. Where do I go first? So I got a bag here full of different types of highlighters. I also have all of these, so this is going to be crazy. I've got my luminous primer. Let me put that on. Imagine, like, this is just primer. Imagine the actual highlight. Whoo! I am going to glow like no other. This is a blush. What are you doing there? Here. Not highlighter. I found my old Primark highlighting palettes. Highlighter palettes. Highlighting. So I got like these ones here. This is the face ones. So this is the Gold Rush. I had some. This one's got more of a variety. It's got more brown. So let's cross that one off. And this one, I think I'm gonna go for this one, the bronze one, because it has more variety. So oh my god. Is it weird? I'm actually excited about this. Less being checked. I look bronzed. Hello. Right. What is the next thing I would do? I would conceal. So what will I conceal my face in? I have a lot of stuff here. Shall we brighten the under eye? Yes, I think we should. So I'm gonna use this little number here to brighten the under eye, and we'll conceal it with another highlighter. Okay, conceal my under eye. I don't have anything red. I don't have like a red concealer. I keep saying concealer. I don't have like a red highlighter to, you know, hide my dark circles. But right now you can't see any dark circles because I'm all covered up in highlighter. It's getting patchy. Highlighter powder, highlighter liquid is all patchy. Definitely covered my dark circles. Yeah. Wow, I got no brows. Okay, let's highlight these brows. I think this highlighter is a little old. They might need a bin soon. Okay. Gathered something in there. I'm trying my hardest here to make this brow happen, but so far I can't see any brows. Maybe because I'm going blind to all these lights. Okay, I think this is the best I can do for brows. Oh my gosh, I got a banana! I got a banana powder one! Yes, girl, we're gonna put banana powder Let's banana powder our highlighter. Okay, banana's on. Oh yes. Feeling good. Oh, something got in my eye. Let's dust that powder on there. I look like a butterfly. Feel like a butterfly. Sting like a bee. Now let's start with this. This is the powder one. This is from Primark. Ooh, crap. Here it goes. My translucent, guys. I'm starting off with light. Why am I even explaining? Like, I'm freaking doing a challenge here. So sorry, guys. If you guys hear like noise and stuff, like a lot of street noise, it's only because I live in Kilburn and you can hear everything. Literally, everyone's screaming, everyone yelling at each other, bikes and going around, cars everywhere. I live right next to the train as well, so you can hear the train going. Ay, my lord. Something light. I know Fenty is really, really good, so let's go with Kilowatt. Kilowatt, what? Ooh. Look at that. Pink one. Oh yes, I found the blusher from Primark. So bright. Smells like chocolate. Literally. Like, oh, why didn't wear you more often? You're so pretty. Like, not as a blusher, of course, but as a highlighter, you're so pretty. You're giving me pink and gold going on here. How am I gonna put a freaking liner on my eyes? How is that gonna work? Or I have this. We'll do this way. I hope this works. Oh, it's moving. It's moving my makeup. I guess if I settle this with the powder, it'll be fine. So this is done. Let's settle it quickly with the powder. Yep, this looks perfect to move as a liner. Yeah. Let's go with our old school but a goodie, Mary Lou. Hello, Mary. It's been a while. I missed you. Look at that glow. Well, look at all the glows, really. I don't remember you smelling like this good. She's so buttery. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the rest of my eyes. I'll be right back. Right, I am back. I got my lashes done. Now the final piece would be the lip gloss. So I don't have a highlighting one. Should we put a highlighter one? It's gonna be so dry. But I guess this is like a highlighter because it's a metallic one. So don't criticize me. Don't say I'm cheating because this is technically like a highlighter. I just want to glow. Right, here goes. Why am I wearing this? Oh, this is intense. So guys, this is the finishing look for the full face highlighter challenge. What do you guys think? Because right now, all the thoughts that's going through my head is, damn. should audition for Tin Man. I'll be the like one of the glam ones. I'm not gonna be just pure silver. I'm gonna be literally the glam Tin Man, right? Or Tin Girl, whatever. So yeah, this is basically it. It's very simple. I made a mess here with all of my highlighter. It was, for me, the hardest part was doing the brows because I couldn't, for the love of God, find anything. I don't even know if you can see the brows properly, but it's like literally highlighting brows. And the other hard thing was, actually I found a lot of hard things, like concealing it and like that liner. I don't even know if you can see the liner here. Like I put the like liquid and then a powder on top of it to make it look like a liner, but I don't think that even worked. So the only thing that's not highlighter on my face is the lip gloss and the mascara, and obviously the lashes. I had to, guys. I had to look normal for once. So yeah, this is the finishing look. What do you guys think? How did I do? Do you like this video? Do you like my challenge? I'm kicking back old school, guys, because they were fun to watch back in the day, and now I'm kind of bringing it back, and I hope it encourages you guys to play this fun little game with your friends and family. And yeah, for those who are new to my channel, welcome. So happy for you to be here. And if you like what you see, then please go down below and click the subscribe button. And for those who's been here for a very long time, from the beginning when I started, I would like to say thank you. Mucho gracias for all of my beautiful subbies out there. Thank you so much for staying tuned this far. And I'm sorry, guys, for again not uploading any like videos. I'm so sorry. It's not gonna happen, and I will continue posting more videos for you. Do bear with me. I just want to settle everything down, hopefully get the room looking like really nice, and then, you know, we'll do some really kicked back videos. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and I'll be so grateful if you do so. Then that only lets me know that you like this video and you like me to continue doing something fun like this. Challenges are fun. They're not meant to be serious, so putting these on, making fun of myself, it's just all for fun, guys. I hope you had a good laugh, because I sure did have fun putting this on, and it was really like a challenge for me to find out what would work well, especially with highlighters. Some of them were not sticking, like the brows were definitely not sticking. No further ado, guys, I will sign up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!